Automating back-office processes and deposit operations and payments is always at the top of mind of every bank and credit union executive. At the lab, we routinely help bank and credit union executives and their boards automate processes that were previously unautomatable. But now, processes like ACH returns can be quickly automated with robotic process automation. And the software is extremely accessible and cost-effective thanks to Microsoft. In this video case study, we'll demonstrate a bot recently implemented by the lab, processing ACH returns. It's a daily activity that requires difficult, manual labor, and depending on the size of your institution, consumes up to 6,000 hours a year. The bank in this example had 3 people working on ACH returns full-time. Here's the actual bot at work.
Hello.
It starts in Outlook. Whenever it gets an email containing bulk ACH returns from the bank's fintech operations staff, it opens the note and gets to work. You can't see it here, but this email includes a huge table containing every single requested return. The bot not only reads it, but memorizes the entire thing.
No human can do that.
Next, the bot launches and logs into the core.
Here I'm using Jack Henry Silverlake, but I can work with any core.
Now, the bot enters the trace number and uses the SEC code to determine its next steps.
For international, or IAT returns, I navigate to the second addenda page, where I enter the return reason. I then verify the return reason, transaction code, and amount between the email list I've memorized and the core, and finalize it all on the last addenda page.
For default case or PPD transactions, the bot enters the return reason code, then verifies the transaction code, amount, and return reason.
Look at me go!
For web and tel transactions, the bot populates the payment code with the default value of S if the code is empty.
Then I perform checks for the transaction code, return reason, and amount.
Finally, the bot creates a transaction status report showing all the work it's done.
I save the report in a shared folder, email its link to the staff, and then close out all the applications I'd used.
Remember, processing bulk ACH returns takes up to 6,000 hours per year. With this bot, it's 100% automated.
Happy to help.
This automation is just one part of a bank and credit union back-office transformation roadmap module that delivered a 3-year ROI of 5 times.
Bank teams love labor-saving bots like me.
Find out how bank and credit union executives and their boards are transforming their businesses with automation to generate new deposits and loans, process account closing tasks in the back office, and recapture lost margin. Schedule your demo. Contact the lab today.